Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and look, we got the package from Paula at Paula's Crafting Journey, I think it's called. I'll tag it in the video description, and please do give her a follow. She's fairly new to YouTube, and it'd be lovely to try to get her some subs, extra subs and that. And yeah, this has come all the way from Ireland. It's been a massive delay while I've been trying to sort this out back and forth over email and stuff, because my UK mailbox is not designed for sending to an address in the UK. It's basically a company where if someone wanted to order from overseas and they wanted to order something from the UK, it goes into my UK mailbox, and then my UK mailbox forwards it on to overseas. It's not designed for residential addresses in the UK. So it's my fault for signing up. I haven't got the time to read T's and C's. I don't think many of us do, I don't know, but I certainly haven't got the time to read all that. So I have closed that down now. We've got the package, and I'm never doing my UK mailbox ever again. So yeah, if you want to send me something, you don't have to. You can send buy things on my Amazon wish list, or you can send it to an in-post locker. It's probably best to get in touch with me first, and then I can give you the in-post locker, and then you just need to let me know what the tracking number is, so that, you know, when it's here I can pick it up, because I won't know it's at the locker unless I've got some sort of tracking number. But yeah, best option at the moment I can give you is the Amazon wish list. But as I say, you don't have to, it's entirely up to you. Lots of people like to buy me things, and this one's come from Ireland. It's really lovely getting a package that is not, you know, somewhere completely different, you know. So inside here, Paula got in touch with me, and she said she had some bags. And as you know, I'm desperate for bags at the moment, and she said that she had a diamond painting pillow, which I would have got from the range some time ago. Do you remember when I said they lost it? So yeah, this has been like a dream for me. I've never done a pillow before, so I can't wait to see what's in here. Oh lovely, yeah, okay, oh lovely, I'm just going to turn this round. It's as if they've took it out. Now, I got told that wasn't took out the bag, and looking at the state of this, it's been took out. So, Paula, you're going to have to confirm if everything's there, because I will, yeah, they said they didn't open this. Well, that looks pretty open to me, so I will send that video over to my UK mailbox, because they told me that they didn't open this. So, and yeah, this is definitely been opened. God knows, I don't know if you sent this, but what is this? But I'm sort of like, I don't know if it's there now, but wow, okay. They've definitely had a rummage around with this, haven't they? Wow, what is that? Oh, that's the pillar, and oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, yeah. Now, purple's not really my favourite colour. I can't stand purple, but it's a pillow, and I've never had a pillow before, so I'm super, super excited for this. I wasn't sure if you got the pillow with it, so this is a bonus. I can't believe it. We've actually got a diamond painting pit. Oh my God, look how Halloween vibe that is. It sort of makes you want to do like a magic trick, or, you know when people get like their little crystals out and stuff, you know. Like total tarot and stuff. But oh my God, this is lovely quality. Look at that, it's nice and smooth. Yeah, so the stick's okay, pretty good on that. And this is obviously where you would put the pillow in it, so that's pretty nice. Oh wow, Paula, we've got a problem here. How in the world are we going to fit that in that small gap? Like, we're going to have to really shove that in, as you can see. We're going to have to squeeze it in somehow like that, because that's very unusual. Like, why have they done it there? You would think that they'd put the zip there and then right to the end, but that's such a small gap to squeeze that in. But we will get it in there. We're specialists in shoving things in tight gaps and stuff, so we can sort that out. So in here we have, oh my God, just look at all this lovely stuff. Now, oh my God, look at the size of these bags. Oh my God, wow. Oh my God, seriously, this is gonna last me probably till like Christmas maybe. But oh my God, just look at all of these bags. Paula, you are a diamond. Thank you so very much. I cannot tell you, this is more than enough. Oh my God, yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my God, I can soak it up now. Yeah, I cannot tell you how much I need bags at the moment. And the only time I can ever get free bags is when you get a range painting. If you get a range painting, you've got a big batch of them that come in there. But yeah, oh my God, that is just the amount of trays I've got just waiting to be put into bags. Like there's all like jewels just waiting to be bagged up. Absolutely fantastic. So we've got that. We've got ourselves this lovely tray here. Absolutely gorgeous. I like my white trays. And these are our trills. So look at that. This is going to be beautiful. Red. What, pinky red. Quite nice colour that. Oh, it's got the word mandala there. That's really cool. Blue, an orange, a yellow, a green, a dark blue. Oh, look at that teardrop. Wow, that's a nice colour. We've got an orange. I can't think today. Sorry, it's been a long day. Oh, what do you call that? Red. And then we've got a very small, God blimey, that's a tiny one in it. Jesus. And then we've got a purple one. So yeah, I can't stop staring at this. This is, I don't like purple as a rule, but this is stunning. I think this is going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. This is so going to be my Halloween pillar. So yeah, I think I like this. I absolutely love it. Wow. So yeah, that's our thing, and it looks as if Paula, oh my God, Dreamer Designs. No way. Oh my God, I've always wanted a Dreamer Designs product. And yeah, wow, that is stunning. Wow, what have we got in here? There's a secret bag. Oh, it's nice quality. Wow, that's stunning. And in here we have, oh my God, there's more bags. Wow. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Oh my God, look, you've really chucked the boat out here, Paula. Wow, thank you very much. Look at this. This is stunning. Look at the glitter in that. And you've got the logo on the back as well. This is really nice. Yeah. Oh wow, this is a fancy one. Look, you just lift that. That goes down and acts as a little slot for it. Wow. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm so used to them like flipping down, but that you just go bing. This will be great for like colour blocking. That's a stunning tray. And then you've got high quality tweezers. Always lovely when you get high quality tweezers in. Fabulous. And then we got ourselves a pen with a little bit of a scrodgy on there. And look, this is the best bit. 2 beautiful sets of purple wax. So yeah, I think Dreamer Designs is an American company. I think they do ship to the UK. So yeah, they're very similar to DAC. But look at that. And another batch. Oh my God, right, I'm so happy with this. Wow. I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting to get this product. It's been a nightmare trying to get it out. And it's not Paula's fault. It's my fault for signing up to a company which I thought was like reship, and it's completely not. So yeah, I am still trying to work on a solution so that you guys can send me stuff that if you want to, because I'm aware lots of people like to send me stuff that perhaps isn't on the wish list, but we're trying to work on a solution which is cost effective. I don't want to pay out £30 every month for a PO box. So yeah, we're still working on that at the moment. But for now, all I can suggest is just the Amazon wish list, or as I say, get in touch. I know Harris has asked me about sending stuff. Get in touch. I can give you the in-post locker for Braintree and we can do that. But as I say, you don't have to. Please don't feel like you have to send a gift. I say that because I don't want people to think that you've got to send me something, because it's really up to you. It's completely your choice. But all gifts are very, 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 very exciting when you get them, because you never know what the gift's going to be. And yeah, I am just loving this. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's so vibrant. This is an absolute stunning piece of artwork. Just wow. I can now take it off. I've got a pillar, guys. So I think the only thing that I've now got to try is perhaps a diamond painting tray. Yeah, I think we've tried everything diamond painting that we can think of. But oh my god, yeah, thanks ever so much, Paula. And as I said, please do give her a follow, a like, share, you know, that sort of thing. I'll put a channel in the description of the video so you can go over there, give us some love, share some love, and you know, help her channel to grow a bit. Be nice to see it grow a little bit more. But yeah, thank you very much, Paula. And this, absolutely over the moon with this. I'm actually more excited about the bags than I am the pillow. Because I cannot tell you how long I've needed bags. And yeah, if anyone wants to send me their bags, I'd be very happy to take them off you, because I love these, and they're becoming harder and harder to get hold of now because they're hardly never included in the kits. So yeah, this will last some time. Thank you very much, Paula. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. And I'll see you very soon for another unboxing video very soon. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.